Unfortunately, I am stuck on the side of the road, and it's a very busy street, so not a lot of happy people. The car stalled, couldn't get into any gears. I think it's currently stuck in fourth, and all I can do right now is go up and down, but not side to side. So I think we have this towed back to the house, and then diagnosed later. Couple more screws back here to remove this center piece. Remove the center piece. Okay. All right. Let's take a look at this bad boy. Might need some to use some sockets. Okay. So what actually happened here? I can go up and down, but not side to side. Okay. We're gonna remove these 4 bolts. Okay, remove that. Okay, don't lose that. Just put that right there. I have to remove my shift knob. Okay, we'll put that right there. This is also an aftermarket shift knob. Got this from MR2 Heaven, I believe, and it's very heavy, so it's a weighted shift knob. It's made of leather. It's pretty durable too. Okay, then let's see. So this is gonna come up, but let's focus on, oh shit, lost that O-ring in there. Okay, so it has another plastic piece right here. It goes right into the center, but let's remove this first, and let's not forget to grab that piece that fell in there. Oh right, okay, so you remove that clip. You'll also remove this one right here. Okay. All right. Oh, that looks a little bit suspicious. Wonder if that's the one that broke. Okay, this O-ring goes with that right there, so we'll put by the clip so we don't forget the order of operation. But yeah, looks like there's some pieces of plastic here. Okay, and gonna see if I can remember how to remove this. There's a couple of bolts right here that we have to get to. Okay, let's put that bar clip. This one goes out. Okay. Okay, this one's out. So all we have to do... Oh, okay, that's strange. So now it goes back and forth, but it doesn't go back to the center position. This one's going to be a pain to put back, so let's get this out first before we lose it. Our bushings. And then these can come off like so. Okay, and done. All right, let's take this out. Okay, let's plop that down there, and let's examine what actually happened here. That is so strange. Oh, the cable broke. Ah, I got it. The cable broke. Shit. So that's why it keeps on going up and down, but it doesn't stay into the middle. So what I need is, I need new cables. So yeah, stay tuned for more. I'm gonna buy this part and we'll come back.